Victorina, registered to the Mexican holding company Grupo Dura, adopted Port of Veracruz on the 18th.
This is enough for Mexico, 100-mile race. You took the subject here. Speculation is Reyes has a family residence somewhere near Monterey.
Has the Mexican police responded yet?
Their local, state, and federal police are not.
Satellite cannot pick up its cell.
We can walk close to the cell and snag the phone number, but we can't hear the call.
Give me a satellite through the house in Mexico City.
There you go. We're hoping for your call from this location to start a trail.
Any family members in the house?
No, just teenage girl with her own 30-room mansion.
Hey guys, I just want to start off by saying I am using a Snapchat filter today because I feel so ratchet. I have no makeup on. I have the worst headache ever right now, but I really wanted to stick to posting my videos. So here I am, just real quick. This video should be short today, but so these were the razors that I ordered off of Amazon, right, to do the dermaplaning, and I love these. I recommend them if you were thinking about getting them, you know, or you had questions. So I would say yes. Just keep in mind that these are very, very sharp, okay? And I cut myself, as you can see, like here, it was my ear, and then a little on my nose, and then a scratch right here. So other than the scratches, I just want to say that the only thing that kind of threw me off about these razors was the fact that it kind of like scratched my skin. I don't know if that's because these are better quality than like the ones I get at Marshall's or TJ Maxx, or if they're like worse, or if they're, how do I say this? I don't know if they are better or worse than the ones I get at TJ Maxx or like Marshall's, but they did work. They got the job done. So just be careful. Like, I know it's recommended that you use like a face oil or like a moisturizer before you even kind of like dermaplane, just so you don't scratch your face. These were a little bit scratchy, but maybe I'm just not used to using these, just because I'm used to using, you know, the ones that you get from TJ Maxx or Marshall's, whatever. These are the ones I normally use. And then these. Sorry, this is the quickest way I could like put up my phone right now. Trying to fight this headache. I threw the other one away, but these are the newer ones. You can kind of see it better in the light right here through the cap. They have a pointy, this point right here. I don't know if you can see that. It is super pointy, and so when I was like back here, I kind of like cut my ear. So I know, like, I'm not used to like this tip being pointy, so just be careful with these when it comes to that part. At the end of the day, let's say you a first time shaving your own face, I would definitely try this first because it does do the same thing. These, I do feel the result is just a little bit better, but for someone who's first trying it out, like, and you're not sure, I would definitely just go with one of these and then see how it makes you feel. If you're someone who keeps up with like at home facial care and just, you know, that kind of stuff, I definitely think these are a good investment, just because this box comes with 10 of these and I use them about once a month, so it'll last me like a good 10 months. So I think that's really great. And also, for those of you who have not shaved your face before, or, you know, you don't know much about it, please do your research before you do, just because there are some things you have to be careful with when doing this. Like, I know I usually like wash my face, do my toners, do my sprays, my whatever before I shave. Don't ever shave your face and then right away you put like all your stuff on it afterwards, just because your skin is so like exposed and it's so open. You don't want to like, I guess, irritate it too much and like overwhelm it like right after shaving. I don't know if that's common sense or what, but just be super careful and make sure you do your research if you don't really know much about dermaplaning. Other than that, like, I'm not an expert. I don't really know exactly like everything there is to know about dermaplaning. This is just kind of everything that I've gathered from when I've done my research on it. So other than that, if you do have questions, if you know whatever, feel free to message me or just comment on this video. But other than that, I think this is it for my short little video today. I hope you guys have a great week, and I will see you guys in my next one. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not. I am working on videos because I really want to keep this up, but yeah, have a good one, and thanks for watching.